Welcome to 210 Reviews. In this video we are going to talk about top 5 budget exercise bikes. Before starting, like and subscribe to the channel for future updates. There are a variety of reasons why riding indoors may be the safest and most convenient option in some situations, including congested roads, unpredictable weather, and time limits in your schedule. If you're looking for a quick indoor workout that will improve your mood and fitness without the hassle of a packed studio, an overenthusiastic instructor, or loud music that can sometimes accompany a spin class, one of these inexpensive exercise bikes might be the answer. Stay tuned till the end of the video for a budget-friendly bonus. Here are the top 5 budget exercise bikes. Products are listed from least to most expensive. You can see the sale price for each item from Amazon by clicking the link in the description. Number 5. DP Forest. Strong, sturdy stand and long-lasting indoor cardio training machine. This exercise bike's heavy-duty construction, heavy-duty thickened steel and high-grade plastic, makes it a stable sturdy stand and long-lasting indoor cardio training machine that can support users up to 225 pounds. Our upright bike is equipped with 8 levels of magnetic resistance, and you can simply select the desired program to tailor your workout to your individual needs. Seat height can be adjusted to accommodate users of varying body sizes. The bike's handles are designed to be comfortable to hold in one hand. Furthermore, the non-slip steel cage-shaped pedals provide excellent protection for your feet and prevent them from sliding. To bring the flywheel to a complete stop, press the resistance bar. A built-in LCD monitor keeps track of your time, speed, distance, heart rate, and number of calories burned while you ride. Transportation wheels are also included. Also, transport wheels make it simple to move this cycle machine. Number 4. Maruti Exercise Bike. The height-adjustable 180-degree rotating desktop can accommodate laptops, tablets, and cups, and is designed to meet your daily work, entertainment, and exercise needs in one convenient location. The easy-to-read digital display can clearly display your distance, speed, time, and number of calories burnt during your exercise. What an ideal workstation for the whole family. The wide, soft, and ergonomic cushion design makes for a very comfortable exercise experience for you and your family members. Because of the excellent resistance control system on this amazing bike, you only need to adjust it with a simple knob to meet your various exercise intensity requirements. Your feet will be protected by the ultra-wide texture pedal with flywheel, which will also provide you with a smoother and quieter riding experience. Number 3. L-Now Exercise. Thanks to the magnetic resistance and belt drive system, you will not disturb anyone else in the house while you ride. The fully adjustable seat and adjustable handlebar provide a completely customizable experience, ensuring the ultimate in user comfort and compatibility with other devices. Your long-term journey will no longer be as monotonous. The wheels on the transportation vehicle make it simple to move. The maximum weight is 300 pounds. Monitor your exercise progress index for your body workout and use the information as a reference. It keeps track of your exercise RPM, time, speed, distance, calories burned, pulse, and body fat, among other statistics. Put your phone or iPad in the holder to watch videos, which will make it easier and more enjoyable to stay on track with your workout. Number 2. EXERPEUTIC Folding Exercise Bike. An easy-to-read large LCD display that indicates distance traveled, calories burned, time, speed, pulse, and scan is featured on the device. Hand pulse sensors are used to keep track of your target heart rate. Large seat cushion that is simple to get on and off for people of any size. User heights ranging from 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inch can be accommodated with relative ease. The weight capacity is 300 pounds. This compact bike can be folded down to half its original size with relative ease. With the transportation wheels that come with it, it can be moved. An 8-level magnetic tension control system allows the user to adjust the tension level for a more or less difficult workout depending on their preference. Number 1. POBO Speed Concept. POBO has always been associated with the concept of fashion fitness and the production of high-quality fitness equipment. POBO design and manufacture compact, long-lasting, high-quality fitness and exercise equipment that will help you win at the game of performance enhancement. The flywheel, which weighs 35 pounds, helps to simulate the ride of a real road bike. The increased momentum provided by a heavier flywheel helps to keep the bike stable and secure while riding, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of outdoor sports at home, while also performing intense aerobic exercise in a stable position. Seat cushions that have been ergonomically designed make for a more comfortable riding experience and help you ride for longer periods of time. The seat can be easily adjusted in height and width, as well as front and back. The transport wheel, which is located at the bottom of the bicycle, is simple to maneuver. To use, simply tilt and scroll the device, or remove it for storage. There will be no heavy lifting or muscle strain. This allows you to move the bike around your house with ease and put it wherever you want. POBO exercise bike uses a pure wool brake pad, which is quieter and more durable than other types of brake pads. The steel non-slip toe-caged pedals have a standard size thread, as well as adjustable straps and a buckle, which allow them to fit a variety of foot sizes while allowing for forward and backward pedaling. Cycling is simple and safe. Simply turn the red knob to increase or decrease the tension, and press it to bring the bike to a halt immediately. While exercising, you can put your iPad or phone on a stand and watch videos or listen to music on your device. So you made it till the end, and I want to thank you for watching. As promised, here is your budget-friendly bonus, which is one of the least expensive I've found online. Bonus: M-Gym Upgraded Pedal Exerciser. The pedal exerciser's adjustable tension knob can be adjusted to accommodate a variety of physical conditions and provide a more personalized experience. This low-impact exercise is excellent for beginners, and it is also suitable for people who have recently had surgery or sustained an injury. This facility is specifically designed for the elderly and for rehabilitation. Don't forget, you can see sale prices of all products from Amazon by clicking the links in the description. What do you think about this video? Let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button.